Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You start by preparing a local copy of the song and changing its metadata directly. That's the only reliable way to rename a track you didn't upload. Open an ID3 tag editor such as MP3 tag or KID3, edit the title field to the exact name you want, and also update artist and album if needed so Spotify displays it cleanly. Once you save tags, keep the file in a dedicated folder. Spotify reads tags from local files, not cloud metadata. With tags saved, switch to Spotify Desktop and enable local files in Settings, then add the folder where you stored the edited file. Once Spotify scans that folder, locate the track and drag it into a playlist. Playlists are how local tracks become easy to access. Make sure the desktop app displays the edited title. If it still shows the old name, force a rescan by removing and re-adding the folder, then restart Spotify so the new tags are read properly. Finally, sync the edited local track to your phone. On desktop, mark the playlist for download, and on mobile, enable Show Local Files while both devices share the same Wi-Fi network. This ensures Spotify copies the tagged file. If you still see the old name, clear Spotify's cache and restart both apps, or remove the track and re-import after resaving tags. As a last resort, convert the file to MP3 or M4A and re-tag it. Unsupported formats or corrupt tags are common failure points.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.